Welcome to my channel, Gabrieles Miss. This is Rosemary, also known as Vivikarrina, and today I have an unboxing from Micas and more. Yes, this is from the month of March. Yes, this is from March. So you are seeing this on April, but this is from March. To order from Micas and more, you need to go to the Facebook page. Steph Micas and more Facebook page. The link will be on the description box down below. There you will have instructions on how you can purchase. That is a group where you can purchase. That is a group where you go, and she opens once a month, the first week of the month, and she do the shipping at the end of the month. So you will go to the group and you will read the instructions there, and you will see how it works if you are interested. So I did some purchase of some stuff that I want from her, and also Micas. You know, I gotta have Micas, all type of Micas, all colors of the rainbow and more. I can mix Micas and get my own colors, but I prefer them to be already made. So this is full. Yes, it's full. This is my invoice. She have good prices on her Micas, so yeah. That is good. And the first I got, oh, what a beautiful color. This one is peacock blue. Beautiful. They are not the same. My camera is picking up like they are the same, but this one is like turquoise color. It's not the same. This one is turquoise green mica. Let me see. This one is magic blue, pink carnation, so I repeat because I don't have nothing here, you know, except I use my Micas. Cambridge blue mica. These are the blues. Cosmic purple mica. Copper mica, the copper, latte mica, soft pink mica, hunter green. How pretty! This is a green, gold shimmer mica. Ruby rose mica, ripple berry mica, turquoise mica. They're very similar, very similar. This is more darker. This is more green. Sunflower mica, blackish green. How pretty! White satin, white satin, silver graphite. Okay, this one is silver one. This one is glitter, iridescent gold glitter. Oh, silver rainbow glitter. Oh, how pretty. This one, how pretty. Glamour pink mica. Pearl glitter. Pink lemonade mica. Strawberry pink mica. Ruby red mica. This is the one that I finished. Black walnut whole powder. This is 4 ounces. Fuller air clay. Rose hip powder. Spirulina powder. Unicorn glow glitter. And one more. Pink Jubilee glitter. How pretty. That's it. Wow. Wow. So many goodies. These are the natural stuff. Okay. Glitters. These are the glitters. These are the Micas. Wow, this is a lot. Wow, it's super good here. One can go here. This can go here. So I can put them in the respective place. I have they go in a respective place. Okay, each one. So I will take a picture. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Love you all. Blessings. Bye bye.